Good morning everyone. Today I'm taking you whale watching and taking pictures and videos of whales, humpback whales. Out at sea. We've been driving for a little while now and we've been looking for whales. We saw a few of their blows in the horizon, which is what you're looking for when you're whale watching. And but yeah, they went diving and haven't seen them in a while. They can be on the water for a little while, I think 20-30 minutes. So we just everyone's scanning around the horizon and hopefully we'll see them come up and we can see if they want to have a look at us so we can take some photos and videos. Alright, so while we're waiting for the whales, I thought I would just talk a bit about the gear I have and what I've been using in the past as well, because it's very similar. So I have the Canon 70-300. I used to shoot with the non-L version back in the days when I was a student and the 300 f4 prime, and let me tell you, it is way easier with a zoom than with a prime lens, because you never know where the whales are going to pop up. So yeah, any zoom really will do. So the 55-250 works as well. And yeah, it's just so much more versatile because, as I say, they're wild animals. You never know where they're going to come up, so you can choose to be a bit wider and include environments, or to be right in if you can tell where they are, because sometimes you can see them through the water, so you can zoom right in and you're ready for when they come up to take a breath. So yeah, zoom. That is stabilized because it helps a lot. As you can see, it's moving about a lot, so this is going to help me compensate for all the sort of like movements. And the third thing is to have the third point of anchor. So when you're on the boat, try and either have someone hold your belt if you can while you're shooting so you don't fall overboard, or if you can, always have one hand holding something, but it can get quite rough up there. So yeah, that's my advice for now, and now I'm going to keep on looking.
There they are.
Another little tip is to try and frame a little wider, and that way you can see more and zoom right in and start shooting when it pops up. But yeah, I have like a big there. Okay, there we go, right there as I'm speaking. All right, I'll be back. So not long ago when I posted a video on my channel, someone asked, oh, can you do a tutorial on how to shoot wildlife with handheld, with zooms and long lenses? So I can't do a whole thing about that now, but my reply was higher FPS, which I'm shooting right now at 100 FPS, and I explain later why, but also have your elbows against your body. It really, really helps keeping everything steady. Even if you're a bit higher, have everything close up like that really makes a difference. And today is really quiet on the ocean, so it's not that bad. I'm not at a big risk of falling over. Like I said, sometimes you have to hold on and film, but yeah, no, today it's fine. Just lock it on, find the whale and record. that was fun. We're back at the marina, so it was more than fun. It was really cool. One of the best whale interactions I've had, and I've had it a lot. But it was nice to be on a smaller boat like that, so you're really like lower level with the ocean, and yeah, it was really good. So quick summary of the little advice I gave: if you can, use a zoom lens, a stabilizing lens if possible, and yeah, hold on tight, hold your hands against your body, and give it a good crack and enjoy those amazing whales.